Alright, let's make a Peruvian chicken dish that has an incredible sauce and also is super simple to make. Should we hop into it? First, we have to make our marinade, so we're going to take 4 garlic cloves and we're going to smash together, then add in 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon cayenne, and 1 teaspoon paprika and mix together. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of 2 limes, and a 1/4 cup of a light soy sauce and mix together, scraping the sides until you have a consistent mixture. For the chicken, I'm going with 4 large bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. It ends up being about 2.5 pounds. I'm clearing some of the extra fat off and then we're going to score it as it's going to help it keep its shape while we're cooking. Then we're going to add everything to a large bowl and cover it with the marinade and spoon some of that over the chicken, and we're gonna let this sit for at least a few hours, but it's best overnight to get that great flavor. After your chicken's had a fun sleepover, remove it from the marinade at least an hour before you cook, and this is an important step here. Take paper towel and remove some of that excess liquid off the skin. We need this to be dry if we want it to be crispy. If you're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, it's nothing to worry about. Alright, now it's time for my favorite part of the recipe, which is this verde sauce. So we're gonna take 2 garlic cloves, cut that in half, and then I'm going with 2 jalapeños, and we're gonna remove the seeds and core from this. Now, you could go with more jalapeños or less. These really weren't even that spicy. After that, then we're gonna need about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of fresh cilantro. Now, this whole sauce is being made in a blender, so if you get a few stems in there, it's no big deal. Finally, we're gonna need 2 large limes, and then we're gonna juice these, and you can all set that aside for when you're ready to make your sauce. To a large blender, we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, our lime juice, 1/2 cup of Cotija cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, our garlic, our jalapeños, our cilantro, and then blend on medium-low. Once your mixture is smooth, then we're gonna slowly add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil while the blender is running. It's just gonna make sure our sauce doesn't separate, and then we can pour it into a container and refrigerate while we make the chicken. Now you're gonna take your trusty cast iron skillet, and over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in some olive oil and then place in the chicken thighs skin side down. We're gonna sear these for about 3 to 4 minutes on this first side until that skin gets some nice color and a little bit crispy, and then as soon as you turn them over, you're gonna put it into a 400-degree oven to finish cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your chicken comes up to temperature, you can move the cast iron pan and let it sit for a few minutes while we plate up. So I've gotta say, one of my favorite sides for this recipe is going to be some pearl couscous, so we're making sure we have plenty of that there. Then add in your chicken, your verde sauce, garnish with some cilantro, lime slices, and Cotija cheese, and you're done. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.